Hello there, my tulips. Welcome back to my channel. It is yours truly, Miss Bliss. How y'all doing? So from the thumbnail, you already know what today is all about. It is my Friday's favorite. This is something new that I'm doing. I've never done this before. I'm going to try to commit this day to anything but hair, okay? So these are going to be things that I use in my life that I think will be helpful and beneficial for some of you out there. So if you're interested, make sure you continue to watch. But before we jump over into everything, let me give a warm welcome to my new people that decided to stop in and check out today's video. I greatly appreciate it. Please show me some support by giving your girl a very big thumbs up, and also hit that bell notification so that you can stay updated on new videos that are released each and every week. Lastly, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and join our Tulip Nation here. We'll love you to be a part of this family. Now, we can jump over into what today's video is all about. Let's get it. Okay, you all, so today's video is all about this product right here. Yes. So I pronounce it Odoban. Sometimes I pronounce it Odoban. It just really depends on how I'm feeling that specific day. Also, depending on what part of the world you're in will more than likely determine how you will pronounce the name of this particular product right here. I absolutely love this particular product right here. I had never heard of this product. I had never seen this product until COVID hit the land, and it was like, ta-da! This product just magically came to me. Now, before I go any further, let me just say right off the bat, I am a germaphobe. I do not know how this product even got past me. I don't even know how I never knew about this product when I'm your #1 germaphobe. But when COVID hit the land, I'm pretty sure now everyone around the universe is probably a germaphobe. So back to it. I'm old school, so I typically use Pine Sol because Pine Sol does what I need it to do. However, Odoban just takes things to a whole new level for me. So someone at my 9 to 5 mentioned this product and all the benefits of it. So I said, okay, let me run to the store to see if I can find it. And Lord behold, I find this particular product, Odoban, whatever. And they had very few of this product left. Oh, by the way, this is Home Depot. They had very few of this product left, and I grabbed a bottle. In fact, I think I may have grabbed 2, and my mom grabbed 2 as well. Now, let me tell you why this product is amazing, and a lot of you have probably seen, especially when COVID was in its highest, when it first came out, people filling their baskets with this product. This product is bomb.com. Here's why. You get this huge jug of product, and it's filled with 1 gallon of it. However, it makes up to 32 gallons, okay? The good thing about this product is you use part product and part water. That's simple, okay? It doesn't take a rocket scientist to be able to do this. So this is why you get a lot of bang for your buck. Speaking of bang for your buck, this product is extremely affordable. It costs $9.99 for this huge jug of product that does a lot. A lot. Now, before I tell you what all this product does, let me just let you know now, I'm on the East Coast. So if you are anywhere but the East Coast, Your geographic location will play a big role as to how much you will pay for this product. Okay, so back into this product does multiple things. I love this product because it serves a multitude of purposes. So, on the front of the bottle or front of the jug, it says that this product kills 99.9% of germs. Hey, I'm feeling that. I'm feeling that. Then you turn the jug on around and you read the back. This product serves as a sanitizer, a deodorizer, a disinfectant, and a virucide. Y'all, I was like, hold up, pump the brakes. This product is a virucide as well. Now let me break that down a little bit more for you. Is a virucide. Pump the brakes. So basically what that means is that it helps kills HIV-1, influenza, Hong Kong, herpes simplex 2 in 60 seconds. Y'all, I was like, whoa. For me, I have never purchased a product that specifically says these are some of the specific virucides that it can kill in 60 seconds. So I was blown away and I was like, yes, yes. I highly recommend that you get this product because it's going to help all those germaphobes out there, okay? It's probably going to put your mind at a little bit more ease. So if you are moving into a new home, more than likely you want to sanitize your home with this product. Okay? Let me take it a step further. You can use this product in your laundry as well. Hello? It's one thing to make sure our home is sanitized, deodorized, and disinfected. But it's a whole nother thing when you're talking about the clothes that you put on your body. Y'all, come on. Jump on the bandwagon and get this product. Now, it comes in, for sure, I know, 2 scents, which is eucalyptus and lavender. Those are the only 2 I've been able to find, but it doesn't mean that they do not have any other scents out there for you to choose from. You will have to look that up and search that for yourself because I haven't been able to find it. There's only been certain places that I've been able to find this product to purchase it. So, of course, Home Depot has it. Lowe's have it. I forgot 3. And I've seen it online at Amazon. But I'm not sure about eBay, although I believe you will more than likely be able to find it there. Oh yeah, and I almost forgot. Walmart. Now, I don't know if you can walk into the Walmart store and find it, but if you go to Walmart's website, then you should most certainly be able to find it there. But y'all, let me tell you, I like the product. The scent doesn't linger. After about a day or so, the scent is gone. But who cares? As long as it does what it says it's supposed to do to make you have peace of mind in your oasis, which is your home. So, okay, you guys, that is it for me. That concludes today's Friday's favorites. If you've tried this product, tell me, what are your thoughts about it? That's it. See you tubes in the next one. Smooches. Mwah.